Welcome to Inspire Ignite, where we empower you to turn your passions into profits. In this digital age, we're living in a world brimming with opportunities. And today, we're about to reveal a groundbreaking method that will bring your side hustle to the next level. Imagine making money on YouTube without ever having to show your face. Sounds too good to be true? Not anymore. In this video, we're delivering the exact knowledge and tools you need to start your YouTube side hustle without having to be on camera. We'll break it all down in this free guide. So, stick around for this life-changing guide that could completely transform your side hustle game. Have you had enough of traditional side hustles where you pour in countless hours of effort but see barely any return? Perhaps you've given a shot to everything, from online surveys to freelance gigs, but are yet to taste the financial freedom you yearn for. It's time to revolutionize our hustle concept. What if we told you there is a way to earn money without having to trade away precious time? Imagine earning while you sleep or while you're out and about, just living life. Sounds like a pipe dream, doesn't it? But it's far from it. It's the reality for many who have unlocked the potential of YouTube as a platform for generating passive income. Here's the deal breaker. You don't need to be a polished vlogger ready for camera or a tech wizard to make it work. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can make captivating YouTube content without having to step in front of a camera or hitting the record button. Intrigued? Good. This video will provide a step-by-step guide to create engaging YouTube content using AI, all without the need to make an on-screen. Let's dive in. Many budding content creators encounter a shared obstacle, the dread of being in front of the camera. This fear can be immobilizing, acting as a significant barrier that stifles creativity and aspiration. It's a fear that may originate from numerous sources. Perhaps it's the unease of being critiqued, the dread of public examination, or simply the discomfort of watching oneself on the screen. As a consequence, innumerable creative concepts and potential successful channels never emerge into reality. Significant income chances are forfeited, and dreams of becoming YouTube sensation are sidelined, all due to this solitary fear. But what if you could sidestep this impediment completely? What if there was no need to stress about perfecting your on-camera demeanor or battling with the unease that accompanies it? Picture yourself creating captivating YouTube content and developing a profitable channel without ever having to expose your face. But don't let fear hold you back, because we are introducing an innovative solution, an artificial intelligence side hustle. This is your golden ticket to bypass the on-camera fear and unleash your hidden potential. Welcome to a detailed walkthrough of our groundbreaking technique, the automated AI side hustle. This revolutionary strategy uses the prowess of artificial intelligence to create compelling, faceless content on YouTube. You've heard correctly, no need for cameras, lights, or action. It's just you, your brilliant concepts, and an intelligent AI assistant that realizes your ideas. Picture this: crafting your thoughts into mesmerizing videos, comfortably dressed in your pajamas, coffee in hand. The AI assistant is your personal director, editor, and content creator. It designs videos based on your unique ideas, ensuring your content is fresh and distinctive. But what is the process, you ask? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You input your ideas and scripts into the AI. The AI then crafts a video, furnished with visuals, music, and even voiceovers. And there you have it. Your video is ready for your YouTube channel. The magic continues, as this AI is not a one-trick pony. It learns from your inputs and audience feedback, refining and optimizing your content for increased viewer engagement. But that's not all. This automated AI side hustle lets you content at scale. It's capable of creating multiple videos in the time required for one, enhancing your content output and increasing your visibility on YouTube's bustling platform. But the crowning glory of this revolutionary method, it's entirely hands-off. Once your AI assistant is set up, it takes over the heavy, freeing your time and energy. This enables you to focus on brainstorming fresh ideas or just kick back and relax as your YouTube channel expands and generates passive income. So ditch the costly equipment, lengthy editing, or camera shyness. With this automated AI side hustle, earning on YouTube is as effortless as it can be. Let's dive deep into explaining how you too can have your own virtual operative, tirelessly creating top-notch videos for you while you focus on what you truly enjoy. Don't merely believe what we tell you. Instead, we're going to guide you through the tangible proof, of individuals who have revolutionized their financial lives using our automated AI side hustle system. Let's get started with Sarah's authentic experience. Sarah, a diligent professional balancing her job and personal life, always harbored the dream of becoming a YouTuber. However, her packed schedule and camera phobia seemed insurmountable. That's when our AIHustle system entered the frame. Sarah not only managed to double her income within half a year without appearing on screen, but also now successfully runs a YouTube channel. Then there's John, a gaming enthusiast and a college student. Despite lacking technical skills and being camera shy, John converted his gaming hobby into a lucrative venture thanks to our AI system, all from behind the camera. Within a year, his hobby evolved into a stable income source, and he offers living testimony that neither technical expertise nor an outgoing personality is a prerequisite for YouTube success. Sarah and John are just two examples of the numerous real-life transformations we've seen. Regardless of their background or skills, people across the spectrum have generated profits with our AI side hustle system, all while staying off camera. Whether you're a professional like Sarah, a student like John, or someone with a unique passion, our system is engineered to lead you to success. There's no need for any prior expertise or tech knowledge. All that's required is the will to monetize your passion. Our system has been demonstrably for anyone and everyone, irrespective of their background or field of expertise. Are you ready to take the leap and begin your journey to financial freedom with the help of this video guide? Excellent. You've already taken the initial significant step by watching this video. Now, it's time to apply that newfound knowledge. You see, success isn't just about comprehending the method, it's about taking that thrilling initial leap, stepping out of your comfort zone, and tapping into the astounding prospects that lie ahead. And the best part, you won't be traveling this journey alone. We've designed a thorough guide that will navigate you through the whole process. From setting up your AI system for your side hustle to enhancing your YouTube channel for the ultimate visibility and profit. This video guide is your personal trailblazer to success, crammed with actionable insights and techniques to expedite your journey. To access this guide, you just need to click the link in the description below. It's absolutely free, and it's your golden ticket to a realm of financial liberty and boundless opportunities. So why hesitate? Commence your AI side hustle today and the potential of passive income. Keep in mind, every remarkable journey commences with a single step. This is your step. This is your moment. Don't let fear or doubt deter you. Embrace the future, seize the opportunity, and start constructing your YouTube empire today. It's not just about earning money, it's about igniting your passion, motivating others, and paving your unique path in the world. With our automated AI side hustle, you can accomplish all this and more, without ever having to step in front of a camera. So what's stopping you? Click the link, download the guide, and take the first step towards your new life today. Don't let fear hinder you any longer. It's time to light up your passion and inspire the world while reaping a lucrative income. Thank you for tuning in to Inspire Ignite. Throughout this video, we have introduced a revolutionary way to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, harnessing the power of AI. We're confident that with these tools, you can redefine your side hustle game and turn your dreams into reality. If you're just as excited as we are about this opportunity, we'd love to continue this journey with. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on our latest tips, tricks, and guides to help you navigate the digital entrepreneurial space. Remember, everyone starts from somewhere, and it's never too late to start. Whether a busy professional, a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply someone with a dream, this is your chance to step into the realm of YouTube and create a passive income stream that works for you. Every journey begins with a single step, and by subscribing Inspire Ignite, you're taking that first step towards financial freedom and a life that aligns with your passions. We're here to support you every step of the way. So until our next video, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and let the power of AI and our innovative YouTube strategy be the driving force behind your success. Until next time, keep igniting your dreams.